Let's start with some daily stand-up 101. The Agile Alliance says a daily stand-up presents an opportunity for a team to get together on a regular basis to coordinate their activities.
So in simpler terms, a daily stand-up is an act of making the work visible. The name itself tells you how often it should happen.
Daily.
Yes, and how long it should last.
Ideally short enough that you could actually hold it while standing up.
Right. And so the maximum length is typically about 15 minutes or less. It's not meant to be a long and boring meeting.
No, long and boring is definitely not the vibe. It's the opposite of a robotic status meeting. During a daily stand-up, each individual should be thinking, where do we need to go as a group? I always ask that everyone shows up to that meeting with open ears and a helpful heart.
Ooh, I like that. That's a really nice way of putting it, Jessica. I guess we'd agree it's an others-focused mindset that we bring to that meeting, thinking, what do others on my team need to know about what I'm doing?
When daily stand-ups are done right, it's not about individual egos, but about listening, learning, and achieving team goals.